Right, the next method I'm going to show you is using a number square, okay, a 1 to 100 number square. So let's take that number sentence again, 37 plus 24. So 37 plus 24. What we're going to do is identify the largest addend here. Let's get number 37 here. So we're going to start with 37. You can refer to it as an orgend if you like to, orgend addend, and we're going to add 24. Now you can see the numbers are getting bigger if we go along here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I do that, I'll be here all day. So when you're using this and you've got 2 digits, add another 2-digit number, the best thing to do is to partition again. Okay, let's expose its expanded form. So here we go. 24. I'm going to expand 24 because I'm going to start with this number and count on. So we know that the 2 in the tens column is going to be 20. It's represented by 20. And the 4 in the ones column is just 4 by itself. So here we can see 20 plus 4. And how are we going to use this in here? Now we know that there are 2 tens in 20. And the good thing about using a number square is that they're counting in tens here. So if you're here on the number 10 and you want to count 10 more, all you need to go do is just jump one lot of 10 down here. Yeah? If you're counting in ones, go across and then you start the next line. Keep going across, start on the next line. If you're counting in tens, you just go down the column. Ones, go along the rows, tens, go up and down the columns. With that in mind, let us add 24. You can add the 4 first, or you can add the 20 first. It's up to you. I'll add the 20 for now, and then we'll see if it's the same if we do it the other way around, okay? So, 20, that means 2 tens. So, 1 10 takes us to 47. 2 tens takes us to 57. Okay, so we've done our jump of 20. Now we're going to do our jumps of ones, 4 ones. Right, so 1, 2, yep, 3, that's 3, and we're going to jump down to here, 4, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, our answer will be 61. 37 plus 24 is equivalent to 61. Now, what happens if we do it the other way? What happens if we do our jumps of ones first? Let's see, shall we? Now, I like to do this. Partitioned our 24 into 20 plus 4. That's the expanded form here. And I'm going to add the ones first. Let's see what happens. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I get to 41, but I add the ones, 4 ones. Now I'm going to do 2 jumps of 10s. I'm going to do a jump of 20, which is 2 jumps of 10s. Here's my first jump of 10, and here's my second jump of 10. Going down for 10s, going across for 1s. That's the good thing about this number square. Love you, number square, you are amazing. Right. And it gives you the same answer, which is 61. Okay, number square, use it if you have it. If not, you just draw it out. It might take a bit longer, but it's good to use. I use this to check my answers. I like to do things in my head firstly, but use it. Right, the next method I'd like to talk about is using a number line. Right, so let's use that number again. That number sentence, 37 plus 24 is equivalent to, that's going to be our number sentence right here. You know what, I'm going to change this up. I'm going to say that something is equivalent to 37 plus 24. Okay, it doesn't matter which side this number sentence is. Is it on this side of the equal sign, or is it on the other side? It doesn't matter, because whatever on this side is going to be the same as whatever on this side. Okay, so 37 plus 24. Let's use a number line to work this out. Okay, looking at the origin here. So 37, because we're going to have a number line, I'm going to start with 37. Because we're going to add, the number's going to get bigger. Right, so I'm going to be jumping up here. So here's my 37. Okay, now I'm going to draw a little number line here, all the way up, and I'm going to put a mark here to say that this is where I've started. This is my 37. Now let's partition this again. 24, so 2 10s, 4 1s, is that right? No, that's 2 and a 4. We don't want 2 and 4 because we know that 2 plus 4 is 6. We want 2 10s. This 2 represents 2 10s, so that's your 20, and then you have 4. Okay, so partitioned it into 20 plus 4. Now we can see that 20 is 2 10s, so I'm going to do my jump of 10s here. 1 10, 2 10s. I'm going to label that. 1 10 here and another 10 there. And we refer back to this. Here's a top tip: whenever you're adding a 10, the 1s stay the same. So in this case, it's a 7 1s. And if we're adding another 10, I know that 3 and add 1 more is 4, so this must be 4 10s. 47, which means that this will be 57. So I've added my 2 10s tick so that I know that I've done it, and then I'm going to add my 1s, and I'm going to go 1 2 3 4. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 61. So 37 plus 24 is equivalent to 61. So this is how you can use a number line to solve your problems as well. Alright, good luck for using that method.